you could win this rare, unique and charming classic Fiat for just a few pounds. Believed to be the only factory-built right-hand drive example, our 1952 Fiat 1900A has got nostalgia by the bucket load. Lovingly and sympathetically recommissioned by the Bridge Classic Cars team, this is your one-time chance to own a piece of Fiat history. Finished in green with a matching refurbished interior, this 1900A is a true time machine. Head over to the Bridge Classic Cars website now and get yourself some tickets. Good luck!